Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you clicked to watch today's video. So today I'll be showing you how I prepare this fish. This fish is one of the difficult fish you can deal with. In fact, you don't know what to do with it. It's very small. It's sardine. You know sardine, this is the fresh sardine. So I will show you how I prepared it, the way you can enjoy it. Here I am measuring out some corn flour. You can use breadcrumbs if you want. So I'll just measure out like 1.5 cups. I'm using the water cup, so I measure 3 cups of it, or 4 cups of it is 1 cup. So here I'm adding some cayenne pepper, ginger, garlic, seasoning stocks, and little salt, because in the sauce that I'll be using to enjoy the fish, I want it to be so delicious, so I don't want to add more salt here. So I'll go ahead and stir it to combine very well. And after that, next is to be using the fish or taking the fish and make sure that it's coated very well with the corn flour. Corn flour works very well for this type of recipe. I haven't tried breadcrumb. I am using corn flour because the taste of it is not something. In fact, you would definitely like it if you use corn flour. I cannot explain the taste, but it's so nice. So I will just go ahead and coat them, and after that use a dry pan. If you are making or trying this recipe, please use a good pan, non-sticking pan. Like that, everything will just stay very nicely. After you finish frying the damp part and you want to flip it over, everything will just be nice. So watch me and see what I'm doing. Alright, after making sure everything is well light in the pan, I will just put it in the in the gas. Allow it to heat up a little so that when you put your oil, everything will just start frying. I don't want to use much oil in this. So I'll be using firstly coconut oil. I'll just drop it in the center of the pot and press it with the little spoon. Like that, it will be able to, heat up and the oil will dissolve. I will do that in the center and also in the corner. Some really fry it, but we're trying to avoid much oil here. We don't want to be eating much oil, or I don't want. I don't know about you. Yeah, so I'm just going to do it this way, and believe me, the end result of this fish was so sumptuous, so delicious, so nice, crunch and good texture. So allow the oil to dissolve and get in under there. So after the oil have dissolved, I'll go ahead with my olive oil spray. As I showed earlier, I'll just make sure that I spray it on top of all of them. The mistake I made here is covering this pot. No, please don't do that. If you do that, it will have water. I will tell you more about that, but now I'm going to try the one in the air fryer. I've already cut the pepper, or the parchment pepper, the size of my air fryer. Yeah, I'll just drop in there and start adding the fish. I want to try it in two places. I want to use air fryer and also the pan frying. So what I'm going to do is just to do the same process I did with the pan frying. So as I was saying before, if you cover it with the pot cover, then when it heats up, water will come out, and the water will do what? The water will pour in the fish. But I didn't have much problem with that. But please don't put it, don't cover it with your cover. I don't know if I make sense. So the air fryer on, you see the water. This water, you don't need it. The air fryer on have get in, and now I'm going to flip this fish apart. Look at that. Did you see what I mean? Use good pan and everything will come out well. I'll spray olive oil under it and turn the other side. Please, if you are doing this, make sure you do it in a low heat, yeah, or medium heat. All right, the air fryer one is ready. It doesn't waste time now. 15 minutes, 180 degree. This fish is as good as crunch. Look at it. It's very well. You see it? Air fryer doesn't waste time. It will just fry everything and give you a very good texture. So over here I am making some pepper sauce as well. Yeah, you will use pepper sauce to enjoy this fish. I just add pepper, ginger, garlic, all of them blended one. I'll steam it first. Once it dry of water, I'll put oil. Don't worry, I will bring the recipe of this pepper sauce. So let us take out the one that has already uh, done, the air fryer one. This is it. I will tell you my my honest opinion about these two fish. Now the one of the pan is ready, very ready. And remember, it takes patience. You have to be patient too if you want to achieve this crunch pan fish. Yeah. So the sardine is ready, the two of them. Yes, the next thing is to make some veggies, just little veggies to enjoy it together. That is the pepper sauce. It tasted so good, so good. Oh my goodness. And it was so pepperish. When I was making it, I said that this is for the big gears, big mamas and big papas. Because it was hot, it was spicy. Believe me. Hi, these kids were just enjoying it, licking it. There is nothing for the big mamas in this house again. Hey, Chinekemo. They like it. So in the center of the fish, I will be adding some lettuce. After that, I will go ahead with onions, white onions, and green pepper. In fact, add any vegetable of your choice, especially the one you have at hand. If I had cucumber, it would have go well with it. So after that, it's well garnished. I'll just tell you my honest opinion about this type of fish. Or let me ask you, which one do you think will give you that better taste? Just tell me in the comment section. Let me know if you're able to tell me before I tell you what my honest opinion is. So I'm going to test them. Oh, honestly, the one I fried in the pan gave me the taste that I'm looking for. The air fryer one didn't give me that taste. This beautiful colored one is the best. I enjoy this fish very well with the kids. Please, if you're trying this out, please do. You will really enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.